along in their life. Embrace technology. There's so many opportunities for you to learn. Ask questions. Try and learn a skill.
That is you yourself. You can lead even people ahead of you.
The point is that whatever you set your mind and becoming, there's a huge possibility of you becoming that, irrespective of your background, whether your parents have a lot of money or whether you have no money, whether you live in a tight house or whether you live in a mansion, regardless of your environment, what you do, what you set your mind and achieve it.
Just always think that whatever you have now, there's an advantage to it. Everything you've been given is more than enough. Don't look at other people and try to do like them. Just always have advantage in mind. You're more than enough.
Everything that you do now, that you put in force, has an impact on you in 10 years. So if you want to be rich, you want to be wealthy, like I think Terola, that's what it is. You gotta have to make sure that you focus and excel.
If you know all the maths and all the English in the world and you're not confident, you're not able to present yourself, you're not able to sell yourself an opportunity, then it's a waste of time, right? And people take you seriously if you take yourself seriously. So if you take yourself seriously, you can speak confidently, definitely doors will open up for you.
High school students like you guys, greatest teachers with technology that will tell the doctor that this thing is getting infected. You guys just need to think, be creative.
Cram is tough because if you cram today and you forget, that's it. But once you understand the logic of why is it the way, you can never forget it.
You need to start thinking about what you need to do to make this country better. Because all of us cannot run away from Nigeria.
How do you trace the babies in your
Everything no violence.
I agree.
Today, we are at the Lagos City Senior School. We are executing one of our cardinal programs at the Special Foundation, which is our mentorship program. This involves having professionals in various spheres come to the school to share their experiences with students in this school. Today, we are speaking to spread across 6 arms. We are trying to go beyond the normal educational curriculum and provoke them to believing in themselves, telling them as children their dreams are valid and that they have the right to be whatever they want to be in life. Today we are speaking around citizenship, we're speaking around setting your dreams and what you must do to execute on those dreams. We're also breaking the students into boys and girls and teaching them about things that are gender-centric. What you have to do as a woman around your hygiene, even as guys, how you have to be responsible gentlemen and look after your females and the female cohorts in the class. This mentorship program is very important to us because we want to influence the next generation of leaders. We believe that leaders are a reflection of the people. And if we change the people, we can change the leadership. That's what we are focused with as a foundation.